Balaji, Shainat Sivade. I am from Vidyavika School. Dear students, in 9th standard, already you learned about polynomials. Okay, so just take a recall of that. So first, these are the basic points. Today what we are going to learn that chapter, no, about that chapter, these are the basic points here. Okay, so just take a recall of that. First, ax plus b. So this is called linear polynomial. Why it is called linear polynomial means the highest degree of this polynomial or the highest power of this polynomial is 1. That's why we will call this as linear polynomial. Next, x square plus bx plus c. This is called quadratic polynomial. Why it is so? Because the highest power is here 2 or the highest degree of the polynomial is 2 here. That's why it is quadratic polynomial. Next, ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is called cubic polynomial. Why means the highest degree of the polynomial or the highest power of the polynomial is 3. That's why it is called as cubic polynomial. What we are going to learn that today's chapter means that is quadratic equation. Today we are going to deal with the chapter quadratic equations. This is our today's topic. What are the introduction of this chapter means? First, we know that many people believe that Babylonians were the first to solve quadratic equations. Who solved first quadratic equations? Babylonians. Babylonians were the first to solve quadratic equation. But solving quadratic equation in general form, that credit goes to our Indian mathematicians. Okay? So see that Brahmagupta gave an explicit formula for quadratic equation. For solving this of the method of the form ax square plus bx which is equal to c, of which form quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx which is equal to c. Next, Sridharacharya derived a formula and kept the name as quadratic formula. So which is helpful to solve quadratic equation of by the method completing this square method. Okay, got it? Sridharacharya derived a formula known as quadratic formula for solving the quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. Next, an Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi, he also studied about the quadratic equations of different types. Okay, he studied quadratic equations of different types. Next, Abraham bar Nasi. He written a book, Liber Ambedorum. This is the name of the book. That book name is Liber Ambedorum. In that book, he given a complete solution of different quadratic equations. In that book, what he given? He gave a different complete solution of different quadratic equations. To our point, quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is in the form. To our point, quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. What is the quadratic equation? That is in the form x square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. And here a should not be 0. Okay, here b may become 0, c may become 0, but a should not be 0 here. Why b should not be 0? If we take an a is equal to 0, then what happens? Anything into 0 is equal to 0 only. Then this complete term becomes 0. If this complete term becomes 0, then we will remove it. Then we left this much only, that is bx plus c is equal to 0. But what is the condition? A should not be 0 here. Okay. For example, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Here what we can take? A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 1 like that. And it is in standard form also. Why? The powers are in descending form. 2, 1 and 0. Okay. That's why this is a standard form. Okay. Standard form of quadratic equation is what? Means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the condition what? A should not be equal to 0.